Children, let us do trigonometry today. Let us do exercise 6.3, question number 5. Read the question. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite sides of it are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, show that the distance between the ship is 4h by root 3 meters. It's given a lighthouse and the height of the lighthouse is given as h meter. And from the top of the lighthouse, two ships are either side. One ship is observed at an angle of depression 60 degree and the second ship is observed at an angle of depression 30 degree. And we must find out the distance between the ships. See from this diagram, AB is the lighthouse and the height of the lighthouse is h meters, and C and D are the ships. From the top of the lighthouse, that is from A, the first ship is observed at an angle of depression 30 degree. That is D is observed at an angle of depression 30. So angle YAD is 30 degree. Therefore angle ADB also 30 degree. They are alternate angles. Then again from the top of the lighthouse, the next other ship is observed at an angle of depression 60 degree. That is angle XAC is 60 degree. Therefore angle ACB also 60 degree. They are alternate angles. So now we have to find out distance between the ships. That is, we must find out C and distance between C and D. That is CD. CD is equal to CB plus BD. Look at the diagram. CD is equal to CB plus BD. So from the triangle ACB we can find out BC, and from the triangle ABD we can find out BD. Then if we add BC and BD, we will get the distance between the ships. CD is equal to CB plus BD. So this is a very simple question only, because the height, opposite side height of the lighthouse is given as h, and we can find out the adjacent sides easily, and then by adding we will get the distance between the ships. Now let's start doing the question. The first triangle ABC, that is with angle 60 degree. So triangle ACB, tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent, and opposite is AB, adjacent side is BC. So you can write it as tan 60 equal to AB by BC. And we know the value of tan 60 as root 3. And we know the height AB is given as h meters. Therefore, if we substitute for tan 60, root 3 equal to h by CB. So CB is equal to h divided by root 3 meters. Then we'll consider the next triangle, that is triangle ABD. Here theta is 30 degree. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent, that is AB by BD. And we know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So substitute 1 by root 3 equal to, so BD is equal to root 3h meters. Now to find out the distance between the ships, we should add CB and BD. So add CB and BD, you get so CD is equal to CB plus BD, and CB is h by root 3 plus h. So if you take h outside, CD is equal to h into 1 by root 3 plus root 3. So this on taking LCM and adding, you will get CD is equal to h into 1 plus 3 by root 3. That is 4 divided by 3. So CD is equal to h into 4 divided by root 3. That is equal to 4h by root 3. So the distance between the ships is equal to 4h divided by root 3. And that is, so this is very addition. For opposite side is given, so we are finding out the adjacent sides and adding, and also we are substituted the value for tan 60 degree and tan 30 degree. So the values, then it is very easy to do the sums. Thank you for watching this.